Okay, so what happens if you're sitting in your living room and you're looking around and that feeling of excitement and comfort of your house just isn't hitting home anymore? No pun intended. What about like that paint job you did to make the place look and feel great? That's no longer delivering that excitement that it used to. And you have come to the decision that you need a different space. In today's market, it's really difficult because there's not a lot to choose from. And most people that would be potential sellers are stuck or feel stuck in a place where they really have two decisions, two potential options for the decision that has to be made. One of them is, do I renovate the home that I currently have to make that home more of what I would love? Or the other is, do I just say, I'm going to sell this house and start all over, even though there are some hurdles in a low inventory environment in doing that. And so we have found that this decision-making process is actually a lot more challenging than simply bouncing those ideas back and forth. That there's so many moving parts, including the total cost of a move, including the occasional influence of an interest rate on what an equity line would look like to make the change on the home that they currently have. And it also includes what that final product would be. And once all is said and done, if they modify the home that they have, would this actually put them in a place where they would be happy with the end product? Having an agent who is able to talk you through those scenarios, to walk through each of those questions and leave while you have a very clear vision of what the best decision is for you, is vital. And also having an agent who's not committed to any one of those outcomes. So an agent walking in and trying to talk you into selling isn't necessarily always going to work in your best interest. What we need to do is really find out what drives you and what is the best decision for you. And I can tell you by experience, just last week, I sat down with somebody for a few hours and we walked through this. And at the end, like many people before, the decision was, I'm going to stay here and I'm going to modify the house that I have. It just makes more sense for me. And in that situation, I can leave that house with a smile on my face, knowing that I helped them make the decision that is best for them. So if at any point you're in that spot where you're bouncing these thoughts around and you want to have a third party decision, a third party come in and give some input, or just share their thoughts and expertise based on seeing this hundreds and hundreds of times, I would love for that opportunity to come in and be part of your decision-making process. Deliver all of the facts, not opinions, so that you can make the decision that's best for you and your family. As always, my name is Bill Boswell, and I'm here with the Omega Real Estate Group, and we are committed fully to helping you in every way possible fulfill all of your real estate needs, even if that means staying put where you are today. Have a great day, everybody.